Otherwise, we'll be engaged in persecutions. And we should not be doing that. Yeah. You see, we don't want to wake up tomorrow morning and people begin to score us marks. How many cases we've lost in court. We don't want that. We want to exercise our discretion professionally. And I have said this time and again that people do not probably know who they are dealing with. They are talking about the Honorable Gloria Kufu. People don't know who they are dealing with when you're talking about her. Very firm, fair, and strong. I have worked under her for 2.5 years. And I can tell you that you cannot manipulate her in any way. If she's convicted that this is what is right, she will do it. Right. You see, so they may be talking about delays. You see, justice delayed, they may say justice is denied. But justice rushes, justice buried.
Okay, so we have at least, we have officers from one bank. We have 6 banks left.
Will that be, I'm just talking about
when will that come
still
out?
Limiting myself to this bank that we've taken to court.
Yeah, and but we need the general information. When can we expect?
I can assure you and assure your viewers, and I have the authority of my boss to say that at least two others are ready and will be rolled out very soon.
Commendable.
2 other banks are ready and will be rolled out. We're just fine-tuning. And when we fine-tune, I'm unable to disclose which ones they are for obvious reasons. But 2 others are ready. And very soon, when we put the finishing touches, they will follow Capital Bank. It is only Capital Bank that is going to court. Okay. And it may not necessarily be the case that all the banks that have gone down will go to court. Because some of them may have been as a result of civil wrongs. Yeah, okay. If you cannot establish crime, even though the bank has collapsed due to the conduct of certain persons, but those conducts are not criminal. There are civil wrongs that led to that. Maybe you did not act in good faith and all that, but we haven't established crime. Such matters may not necessarily go to court. There may be civil remedies to those particular ones. But those that we have established crime, we will be able to take them to court. And again, it brings me to this particular issue before us.
And how soon?
And the commentaries that are being run, Samson, I have heard people, you see, when matters come before court, we don't discuss the merits. We just look at them as they are and allow the prosecution to make its case. The defense will mount a defense, and it is for the judges to determine the guilt or otherwise of the persons. So I'm not able to tell you that in Capital Bank we have an ironclad case. The people are going to be convicted. No, that's not why I'm here. We are going to, as a state, present our case.
How soon are we going to have these 2 other, dockets ready, to put in court?
You see, as I've said, we are looking for some little bit of information to polish up our charges. That's why I don't want to give you a definite date.
But
it will not be long at all.
All these people have been attending to investigations at Iyoko and a special committee.
Yes, please.
Since the bank collapse.
Yes, please.
Okay.
Because as you investigate,
and they have been on
new
bail.
issues come up. They are on bail. Okay. New issues come up. Okay. Sometimes you are investigating a matter, a certain disclosure is made. You have to rope in other people. Again, and even when they bring the file to us, sometimes you have to review it, and after you've reviewed it, you have to then say that go back. Okay. And then check these areas.
In this matter, why only 4? When people are asking, when in the civil case, where they are being asked, their directors and shareholders are said to have done some wrong, you have as many as 16 of them. You are retrieving money from each one of these 16. Money you said they got by fraud. Why has that not found expression in the criminal matter? In the civil matter, you have William Atuesian, you have Mensa Otabel, Oheniba Koto, Stephen Enchel, Kingsley Atagansa, Otabel and Associate, International Central Gospel Church, Kwejo Eyisi Ehring, Isaac Osa Thompson, John Kofi Mensah, Edwin Oben Donko, Fitzgerald Odonko, who is in this one, Amada Montia, Kofi Kwakwa, Francis Edu Mante, and Isaac Osa Thompson Mensah.
Something, in my view, you are one of the highly respected lawyers. In my view, and I am entitled to it.
I'm not doing lawyer. I'm hosting and moderating a program.
No. In my view, and I'm entitled to it. And my very good brother and friend, interestingly, Uncle Kweku, the three of us were in a Kwafu hall. At the same time, we were very good friends.
Okay, go ahead.
You see, there's a distinction between civil and criminal cases. And I want us to put that distinction very clear. The proof in civil matters is just on the balance of probabilities. Which of the two the judge should believe at the end of the case. But in criminal matters, the proof is beyond reasonable doubt, which we all know. So again, it is our discretion exercised based on the set of facts that are available to us as an Attorney General. So you may have your sentiments, you may be so angry about somebody's conduct and all that. But if by the evidence available to us, that conduct does not amount to a crime that can be prosecuted in court, you will find the person not being prosecuted, even though there will be a civil case mounted against the person.
All right.
So that is the basic reason.
Good.
Otherwise, you may just lump all of them together, you go with criminal processes, and then you'll be disgraced in court. Yeah. I know some lawyers, when you appear in court in criminal matters, they are very critical. Yes. And they will go to the core of the matter, and if you don't take care, you will get embarrassed there. They will raise certain issues that, they will even ask fundamental questions, whether the conduct you are complaining about is a crime.
Of course, that's what they are paid to do.
Absolutely. So you have to pass judgment carefully. And you have to come to the conclusion that, look, this conduct, by the facts, left unchallenged, an offense has been committed. And that is exactly what we do. You know that we draw prima facie evidence that, look, by the evidence available to us, we are very convinced that if it is not challenged, it can secure conviction. And then when you make up that mind, then you know the appropriate charges. And remember that a conduct may be so reprehensible, but if it is not founded on an offense defined by law, you cannot charge a person with anything.
Okay. So as far as the Capital Bank is concerned, it is William Atuesian, the founder, Tetenete, Fitzgerald Odonko, and Kate Kote Papafio, who will stand trial.
That is the determination we have made.
Okay. And this begins, is it Monday?
Tuesday.
Tuesday. All right.